The Javanese Palace of Mangkunegaran, situated in Surakarta, in Indonesia's province of Central Java, has coronated Bhre Cakra-Hutomo Wira Sudjiwo as new king, and they named him as Mangkunegoro X.
Mangkunegaran Palace is one among dozens of traditional kingdoms in Indonesia, which can still exist after Indonesia declared its independence in 1945. Bhre Cakra-Hutomo Wira Sudjiwo is on his 24th year old when he begins to rule Mangkunegaran Palace. The coronation took place on March 12th at Mangkunegoro Castle, Surakarta, the main city where Javanese culture and heritage are preserved. Indonesian President Joko Widodo, along with high officials and some traditional kings across the country, including the King of Yogyakarta, attended and witnessed the coronation day. Mangkunegaran, with some existing traditional kingdoms across Indonesia, choose to be part of Indonesia to end Dutch colonization in the country. Mangkunegaran Palace also had historical relation with French Napoleon Bonaparte on the 18th century. Hundreds of MotoGP crews and officials have arrived at Lombok International Airport 4 days before MotoGP race at Mandalika Circuit will take place.
The MotoGP crews and officials arrived after spending a direct flight from capital Jakarta with the Garuda airline carrier. All crews and officials then spent a few days staying at hotels. This was the first group of Dorna team to arrive, while 8 other groups are also scheduled to prepare pre-race events and some races, including Moto3 and Moto2, which will start the race March 18th to the 20th. Earlier last week, cargoes carrying equipments and team logistics had arrived in Lombok International Airport from Jakarta. Some trailer trucks then transported those all to Mandalika Circuit.